This is what I had. It was really good. The bread was the best. Mixed fruit. I don't know why I had mustard. Fruit cocktail and breakfast sausages and kept it. The Herc.
It's a job of self-made knowledge.
The people in the Herc has just died of our reenactments of a fatal plane accident because we were waiting to do first aid reenactments.
Don't worry, your dad just died.
It's like they don't
don't think about your injury, think about the pain you did.
Wow. All I heard was your dad just died. I'm like, okay.
Check out the grave.
He did.
That's
great training.
1 sec. You know, see?
And I failed one time because I didn't ask the guy who was choking if he wanted.
That was shock. You just covered the voice.
Yes, you need permission.
This video. Go.
He's shoving a stick.
I
got burned. Your battery's low. I got
I'm getting makeup to make myself look like I got wounded.
No, you have to help me get some wood. Axe.
Very interesting. Mom, I did something at camp. I'm sorry. There's no hospital here. It's in the middle of the woods.
We need medical help.
It's on my boot.
Just ignoring it.
Yeah. That's what happened when I go to camp and play with axes and matches and all that stuff. You guys trusted me. This is what happened.
Like a 3rd-degree burn.
It's your fault. Is this creepy to you? You find it? You're just walking around like, oh my gosh, it's a baby! And darkness, and darkness, and hearts, and hearts, and hearts, and hearts, and crack, and crack, and crack, and crack, and beats, and beats, and beats, and beats, and socks, and socks, and socks, and underwear, and underwear, and underwear, and underwear, and bra, and bra, and bra, and bra.
Don't you wish the other flights were hot like us? Don't you wish the other flights were hot like us? Don't you? Oh, garbage.
This little wasp is just sucking up the strawberry juice.
Yeah.
It's just like, I like it. Where'd he go? There he is. Cute little fella. IO Council like forever. I mean, look at that.
The brush to the bridges, though.
I don't care. That's beautiful. Go.
This is she-wolf. There's a she-wolf in the closet. Let it out so it can breathe. That didn't help my throat. It actually is
on the beach.
drink.
Sex on the beach.
Go. The game. Stay on my iPod. Is it? Having a lot of fun with this.
Ah, damn, I missed it. Damn it, Campbell, why didn't you tell me?